Number 201, the annual budget of a certain department amounts to 2 billion pesos. From this amount, the budgets of the three bureaus are in the ratio 5:3:2. How much does the bureau with the smallest budget receive? Okay, so pause the video and try to answer. So the choices are 400 million, 600 million, 300 million, 1 billion, and 800 million. So this question is about partitive proportion because we will divide 2 billion pesos in the ratio 5:3:2. So that means we will multiply 5, 3, and 2 with the same number. Okay? So let x be the number. Okay? So the constant that will multiply to 5, 3, and 2. So we have 5x, 3x, and 2x. So we are looking for the bureau with the smallest. So smallest budget, so we're looking to find the value of 2x. So this is the smallest. Smallest budget. So the largest budget is 5x. Okay? So the total of 5x, 3x, and 2x is 2 billion. Since the choices are all in million, so let's just write 2 billion. So that is equal to 2 billion. That is equal to 2,000 million. Okay? So let's just write 2,000 million because the choices are all in million except for letter D. Okay? So the equation is just add this 5x, 3x, and 2x. 5x plus 3x plus 2x, and that is equal to 2 billion or 2,000 million. Then we want to solve for 2x. Okay, so add this 5x, 3x, and 2x. So that is equal to, when we add these 3, that is equal to 10x equals 2,000 million. So we can solve for x and then solve for 2x. But since 10x is even, we can directly divide this by, instead of dividing by 10, if we divide by 10, we can solve for x. But since we are looking for 2x, we can divide both sides by 5. Okay? So 10x divided by 5, that is equal to 2x. Then 20 divided by 5, that is equal to 4. So just copy the two zeros. So we have 400 million. So the budget for the smallest budget is 400 million. Okay, so the answer is letter A. So if we want to solve the budget for all, so we have 3x and 2x, so we can divide. So let us verify if the answer is correct. So if we solve for x, so we have 10x is equal to 2,000 million. So if we divide this by 10, therefore, the value of x is equal to 20 divided by 10. That is equal to 2. So just copy the two zeros, 200 million. So the next budget, 3x. So 3x is equal to 3 times 200 million. That is equal to 600 million. And then we have the highest budget is 5x. So we have 5 times x. That is 5 times 200 million. So that is equal to 1,000 million. So if we add these three, 400 million, 600 million, and 1,000 million, the amount of that is 2,000 million or 2 billion. So therefore, our answer is correct. The bureau with the smallest budget is, the budget for the bureau with the smallest budget is 400 million, letter A. Follow me for more content like this. Sa mga nagre-review para sa civil service exam, pwede po kayong mag-join sa aking review. Meron po tayong review para sa Math and Logic via Zoom for only 50 pesos. So ano yung mga kasama dyan sa 50 pesos? Meron tayong 10 sessions, February 10 to 19, 2025, 7 p.m. onwards. So more or less mga 2 hours po yung bawat session natin. 10 sessions po yan, 10 to 19, 7 p.m. Okay, so meron tayong GC at exclusive FB group. Meron tayong Google Forms practice test. Sessions are recorded para kapag hindi kayo naka-attend, mapapanood nyo pa. I-upload ko po yan sa exclusive FB group natin. Okay, so ang session natin, Math and Logic lang, but we'll share a reviewer on other subjects. So yung mga reviewer natin sa ibang subjects, i-upload ko po yan sa ating FB group. Yan po yung mga nasa Google Forms na practice test. So ito po yung mga example. Ito po yung mga example na Google Forms natin sa ibang subjects. So verbal ability, medyo marami na. May 13 na ako dyan. Numerical reasoning, Gen Info, Filipino, and then madadagdagan pa po yan. Okay, so bago mag-February 10 ay marami pa pong madadagdag dito ng mga Google Forms. At meron din akong mga reviewer yung kumpleto. So meron akong at least 2 sets mag-a-upload ako dito ng Google Form na kumpleto, 100 plus items 'yon, yung kumpleto. Okay, so ano pang inaantay nyo? I-DM nyo na po ako sa aking Messenger RJ Enseñado. Okay, so para malinaw po ha, ang 50 pesos po ay para sa 10 sessions na. So i-divide nyo sa 10, lumalabas 5 pesos lang per session. Okay, so PM nyo lang po ako para maka-join kayo.